My name's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor. I was at IRS for a decade. I still can't believe it. It was a long time ago, really long time ago. And yeah, I worked narcotic trafficking. I worked the offer and compromise program, wrote a best-selling book on Amazon about IRS settlements. Also, in working the offer and compromise program, I had to make sure all tax returns were filed, because you're not going to move anywhere with IRS unless your returns are filed. That's their number one pillar. Everything is built obviously around the filing of your tax returns, and there's inherent danger. Well, there's a couple inherent dangers about not filing your tax return. And I tell everyone, if you want to keep IRS out of your life, file your tax returns. I know it sounds like an oxymoron, but it's true. So first of all, IRS knows you haven't filed. If you have a social security number, and sometimes even if you don't, IRS has a way to check on things. There's a lot of databases available for them to grab information. But if you do have a social security number, we'll just talk about that right now. If you don't file your tax return, IRS knows it. They just haven't gotten around to going ahead and getting to you. They haven't. Obviously, there's I think 300 million tax returns are supposed to be filed. Now that's with 1040s, 941s, estates. So people just don't file. They know you haven't filed your tax returns. When I say they haven't gotten you, they know you're there. Your day will be up, and they're getting closer and closer and closer because of AI. They really are. They've got more sophisticated programs. They're going to be sending out letters. I think IRS just sent out 1 million LT or CP59 letters asking for people who haven't filed in a long time their 24 tax return. Most people I deal with they don't even know when they filed. So if you don't know when you filed, it's okay. I will just go ahead and what you have to understand as an agent, I used to go to people's houses and I used to knock on doors, and I was the big bad IRS guy. I could seize your house, your car, anything that I wanted. And times have shifted from all this stuff, but today, if you haven't filed your return, here's what you got to be careful of. If you don't file it, why are you inviting IRS into your life? Well, they know you haven't filed, so they can file your tax returns for you. They can go ahead and look at all your 1099 stuff you got and file it without giving you any expenses. They can go ahead and file it based on W-2, having you filing separate, having you pay the most amount you possibly can. Plus, if a revenue officer gets the case and they see where you live or see a couple of nice cars, they may go ahead, deliver a summons, and go into your bank account and start looking at the checks that you've written. They can pull your credit report. The way you keep IRS out of your life is file your returns. I know it sounds silly. Listen, I've been doing this 53 years. You either believe me or one day you may pay the piper. So I'm telling you right now, if you want to keep IRS out of your life, file your back tax returns. Those are some of the dangers. Plus, if IRS does get an assessment, they're gonna come down pretty hard on you. I'm gonna tell you right now, because I would. If you haven't filed your returns, I was still working here. Yeah, man, bar's the limit. Have a good one. Nice talking to you. Go ahead and give me a subscription if you can. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to give you a biggie here. You have no idea. Thank you so much for listening. Share me if you need to. Thank you.